Namaste. All the beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance. Welcome all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tarot Reading. And today we are here for the general prediction series of general predictions for the month of November 2020. Let us see what the month of November has stored for the beautiful souls. Let us see what is stored for the beautiful Gemini ascendants for the month of November 2020. The first card is the King of Wands, followed by the Six of Swords and the Magician. And the last card I have is the Eight of Wands in reverse. Beautiful souls. So when you look at the cards, there are all the four elements: fire elements with wands, air element with sword, and the energy of the pentacles. Though it is a card from the major arcana, but you will be able to see all sorts of emotions flowing down in the month of November 2020, and there is a lot of stability in your psychological growth. The month of November will bring in some lessons which you will take it or keep it for throughout your life, beautiful souls. To begin with, the King of Wands, you are concerned for the health of an elderly person in your family. It could be your father, it could be your elder sibling or someone father figure, and also you have been dreaming some not so good dreams, and the dreams are bothering you. You are like questioning yourself why you have been dreaming all this stuff. Does it has any kind of relevance or relation with the events which are going to happen in your future? What I mean to say is that the dreams which you have been seeing a few days for last couple of days or weeks or months, they are really giving you a little stress and anxiety, and most of the times there are the members from your family, so you're really concerned about their health. Here the shadow, the lizard in the shadow is showing events which are happening in your dream, beautiful souls. And the King of Wands, as I told you, is about the concern of the father. It could be like your father has to share something with you. They need to talk to you. They need to share something with you, right? And this is also about you want to spend time with them, because you have not met them for a long time, or even you are not able to contact them on social media, over telephone also. So maybe you don't want to discuss this particular thing with them over telephone or over messages. You want to talk to them personally, face to face. So the King of Wands is all about your concern for the father or fatherly figure, and all about your thoughts and emotions and experiences which you want to share with them directly, and that will bring a lot of relief to you, beautiful Gemini ascendants, because again the Six of Swords is also bringing in the energy of some past baggages which you want to release. The person here is sitting with a baggage, and he or she wants to release it, get out of it. So definitely the month of November 2020 will allow the beautiful Gemini ascendants to release their baggages from the past and release your stress, right? And if you have been expecting some kind of good news, that good news will be coming to you through travel. So travel is indicated for the beautiful Gemini ascendants in the month of November 2020, and through this travel you will be able to get some good news. And you have been witnessing some delays in your professional life as well as in your personal life. So month of November is here to cut off all those delays and to cut off all those postpones, and everything will be according to the schedule, according to the routine. So there is travel in the cards, which will bring you good news and time work done on time. And next is the Magician, beautiful souls. So the month of November is crowning you as magician, and you will be able to fulfill and complete the desires of everybody in your office, in your professional life, in your personal life, in your friend circle, in your family circle. So you will be able to read out the minds and thoughts of the people, and accordingly you will be able to execute the things. You will be really very good at multitasking. You will be surprised the way you are handling your work in your office, in your house, in your, like, everywhere you go, you will be the center of attraction. So you will be having immense energies, like, high energies in throughout the month of November. And the possibilities you can reach is the infinite. The magician is wearing there is an infinite symbol on the head of the magician. So, and you will be able to reach out, do things within the resources which you have. So there is no extra expenditure. So definitely the month of November is going to bring you financial stability, savings, right? So the month of November is going to teach you greater savings and to execute things with the resources which you have without adding extra. So you are going to learn the lesson of the method or the trick of saving, because the magician in you will teach you that, and you will be able to come out of the past baggages, and you want to share so much to someone who is like a father, or your own biological father. You want to meet them and share them, and travel will bring you good news. Again, the Eight of Wands in reverse is bringing that the energies that all the energies which you were directing till now were not propagated in the right direction, right? So the Eight of Wands in reverse brings in that you were facing, or you are facing, some kind of friction in your personal life, because there is a house here, so far away on the hill. So this indicates that you were facing some problems in your personal life, because all your energies were not being propagated in the right direction. So Eight of Wands in reverse brings in the energies that the month of November will allow you to take stand for yourself. And again, there is a lot of traveling involved, but the Eight of Wands is bringing in the energies that you will be traveling to the places where you love to travel, where you want to travel, and where you will be able to put your positive vibes, and where you'll be able to receive the positive vibes. And you will avoid to travel to places where you think you will get some heaviness, or where you will have to experience some boredom. You will definitely avoid those places. So there is a lot of travel indicated in the cards in the month of November 2020 for the beautiful Gemini ascendants, but you will choose smartly, and you will travel only to the places which are filled with positive, exuberant energies, which will bring you good news. So beautiful souls, sharing, communicating, and releasing your baggages, understanding techniques and methods like a magician, and able to reach out to everybody like a magician, and making everybody around happy, making the ambience beautiful and with positive energies. And this is the time to stand for yourself, travel to places and do things which you like, which will bring more positive vibes in you, and avoid doing things which will bring boredom, right? So that's really wonderful November predictions for the beautiful Gemini ascendants for the month of 2020 November. So until next time, hoping that this prediction will resonate, take good care of yourself. Astu and namaste once again.